HENN is an Austrian-based company. So we are into automotive plastic components manufacturing. So this site is planned as an corporate office cum factory assembly unit. So this will be our India headquarters, as well as this is going to become an hub for Asia. So we will be supporting Korea, Thailand, Japan, where we have the business. So yeah, it's kind of a multi-purpose place here. Frankly, we were reviewing a few portfolios and we looked at some of the portfolios that you had done. So the diversity in your previous experience, residential, non-residential, and that diverse experience is what we thought could be helpful for our project.
When I entered, I saw a very modern office, a very innovation office, and all the furnitures and the fabrics and everything is a very modern style, but also a little bit of combination with local habits, with local designs. And I think that is also what we want to bring to India, the collaboration between India and Austria. And I think that's a very good creation. You know, I saw the pictures of the hall before. If you see this hall now, it's completely different, as you said, and the combination between the shop floor on the one side, the manufacturing, and the engineering and the sales and administration on the other side. And it's a very smart interrelation between both different offices, rooms, and
we have positive feedbacks. So our idea was to replicate, if not fully, but to a certain extent, what we have our headquarters in Austria. And the people who came from Austria had given us a positive feedback that if not same, it was a little more better than what they've done in Austria. So to that extent, it's...
Yeah, we are very happy.